under the golden sun of Sri Lanka, a profound journey is about to begin. It is more than just a walk, it is a movement. From April the 21st to May 1st, 2026, the Walk for Peace embarks on a sacred path across the island. Led by the venerable monks, this journey carries a dual purpose: to spread the message of mindfulness, loving kindness, and unity across the land, and to fulfill a spiritual mission, paving the way to bring the sacred relics of the Buddha and a sacred Bodhi tree sapling to the Huong Vipassana Bhavana Center in Fort Worth, Texas. Over these 11 days, the path unfolds across the heart of Sri Lanka. Join us in spirit as the journey progresses step by step. Day 1, April 21st, Anuradhapura to Dambulla. Day 2, April 22nd, Dambulla to Matale, 47 kilometers. Day 3, April 23rd, Matale to Kandy, 28 kilometers. Day 4, April 24th, Kandy to Beligammana, 25 kilometers. Day 5, April 25th, Beligammana to Tholangamuwa, 25 kilometers. Day 6, April 26th, Tholangamuwa to Yakkala, 33 kilometers. Day 7, April 27th, Yakkala to Kelaniya, 21 kilometers. Day 8, April 28th, Kelaniya to Colombo, 15 kilometers. Day 9 to 10, April 29th to 30th, Sacred Relics exhibition, Colombo Day 11. May 1st, departure. Spanning 11 days, the route travels from the historic city of Anuradhapura all the way to the vibrant capital of Colombo. It is a pilgrimage of peace, inviting the world to witness the beauty of this blessed island. You don't have to be there to walk with us. From wherever you are in the world, you can follow the progress in real time. Through our daily updates and live tracking maps, you are invited to walk with us in spirit. Love and peace know no borders. Join us on this journey. Let us walk together toward a more harmonious world. May you be well, happy, and at peace.
May all beings be well, happy, and at peace.